Boston Dynamics' line of robots is the future of the military. We won't need to put as many soldiers' lives on the line in the future due to this company's breakthroughs in robotics. And while robots have been around for 2 decades, the idea of militarized robots was never fully achieved, not even by Japan, until now. Most people would be lying if they didn't admit to themselves that they heard of this company through Corridor Digital's viral parody videos with the watermark Bosstown Dynamics. Boston Dynamics have gone viral on numerous occasions with the real thing, and have broken new ground in the advancement of hydraulic humanoid robots to make soldiers obsolete. So, let's take a look at Boston Dynamics' achievements and see how their robots could eventually replace soldiers. Boston Dynamics is best known for the development of a series of dynamic, highly mobile robots, one of which has been commercially available since 2019. It's been a long and hard road for the 30-year-old company, but now, under the ownership of Hyundai Motor Group and with much help from the Japanese ex-owner SoftBank Group, their robots seem to be getting much-deserved attention outside the internet. As more and more robots are made available to the public, so will the government of the United States eventually get their hands on more capable and aggressive robots suitable for the military. But which robots are most suitable for military use? Big Dog. The first-legged robot to leave the lab, Big Dog, is a dynamically stable quadruped military robot that was created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics with Foster Miller, the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concorde Field Station. The funding for Big Dog came from the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, also known as DARPA, in the hopes that it would be able to serve as a robotic pack mule to accompany soldiers in terrain too rough for conventional vehicles. Big Dog's walking pattern is controlled through 4 legs, each equipped with 4 low-friction hydraulic cylinder actuators that power the joints. It can stand up, sit down, walk with a crawling gait that lifts 1 leg at a time, walk with a trotting gait lifting diagonal legs, or trot at a running gait. It is a very rugged but extremely strong quadrupedal robot that could withstand any weather conditions for large periods of time. In February 2012, with further DARPA support, the Militarized Legged Squad Support System, or LS-3, a variant of Big Dog, demonstrated its capabilities during a hike over tough terrain. Since its release in 2005, there have been many variants and various modifications made to Big Dog, including a robotic arm that can pick up objects and throw them. Eventually, in 2015, the production of Big Dogs was stopped and the model was discontinued after being deemed too noisy for use in combat due to its gas-powered engine. However, this was a huge stepping stone for Boston Dynamics, which led them to their next creation, Spot Mini. The Spot Mini is the robot that succeeded the Big Dog and LS-3 models. Though obviously smaller than Big Dog, it is a surprisingly rugged and strong quadruped that can go where larger robots can't. It has an optional snake-like arm that attaches where a real dog's head would be and can perform functions such as opening doors. The robot's mainframe has a quick disconnect battery, stereo cameras in the front, side cameras and a rear cam, but it can also be upgraded with a series of attachments on the top, including an articulated arm. Spot Mini's development is motivated by thinking about something that could go in an office or accessible place. Think business purposes, or a home eventually. This robot's applications are much wider than the previous models. While not currently used by the US military, it's still an active model. The Spot Mini's preceding model, Spot, appeared alongside soldiers during military exercises carried out by the French army. The robot was being used for reconnaissance during a 2-day training exercise, but the deployment raised questions about how and where Boston Dynamics machines will be used in the future. According to Mashable.com, Ontario Power Generation partnered with Ontario Tech University earlier this year to test the capabilities of a Spot robot to improve safety in the nuclear power sector. The robot can be sent on autonomous missions, conduct visual inspections, and even act as a first-responding firefighter in the event of an emergency. Spot has also been available to the public since 2019 in the United States to serve various household and industry functions. Wildcat. A discontinued robot, but one certainly worth mentioning, is the Wildcat. On Boston Dynamics' official website, the Wildcat is mentioned on a page titled Legacy Robots, with a description under the robot's title reading, quote, "The fastest quadruped robot on Earth, Wildcat, ran 32 kilometers per hour while maneuvering and maintaining its balance," end quote. The robot has also been able to outrun every other robot in existence through the very rough terrain that armies would face. Atlas. The most suitable robot to assist in various military tasks, the Atlas robot is Boston Dynamics' standout bipedal robot. It was developed by the American robotics company Boston Dynamics, with funding and oversight coming from DARPA. The robot was initially designed for a variety of search and rescue tasks and was unveiled to the public on July 11, 2013. Over the years, Atlas has gone through many modifications to be able to endure numerous tasks and travel conditions, such as being able to do seamless backflips and cartwheels. On August 17, 2021, Boston Dynamics released a video of two Atlas robots running a parkour course with jumps, balance beams, and vaults. Atlas robots are also equipped with sensors in their bodies and legs to balance, and with LiDAR and stereo sensors to avoid obstacles, assess the terrain, help with navigation, and manipulate objects, even when the objects are being moved. Ever since its inception, Atlas has been intended to aid emergency services in search and rescue operations, performing tasks such as shutting off valves, opening doors, and operating powered equipment in environments where humans could not survive. Atlas is the most qualified robot by Boston Dynamics so far to potentially enter the military as an active soldier. But as of 2022, no government has officially employed any robots in combat, instead having them assist in other search and rescue missions post-battle. Even though these autonomous robots are in no way sentient, the moral ethics behind sending robots into war zones have come up in conversations many times over the past 20 years. It's important to understand the responsibilities a company like Boston Dynamics and a country's government would need to take when considering such a game-changing decision in warfare. Ethics behind the use of robots. When it was announced that Spot would become commercially available to everyone, Boston Dynamics made the following statement, quote, "All of our buyers, without exception, must agree that Spot will not be used to harm or intimidate people or animals, as a weapon or configured to hold a weapon." End quote. It was settled from the very beginning that the use of Spot as a combative robot would be deemed illegal and that responsibility would fall on its owners. This had to be stated clearly by the company due to Spot being an autonomous, freely movable robot. All around the world, automatic and automated robots are being used to serve various purposes, including production in factories, delivery agents, transport assistants, and even in search and rescue missions post-war. However, these are all technically programmed and controlled by humans, whereas Boston Dynamics' line of autonomous robots, as well as Tesla's latest Optimus robot, will be free to act and react on their own, albeit in limited ways, while serving out a purpose or objective that has been programmed into its system. Whether or not robots will enter the military as soldiers anytime soon is anyone's guess, but Boston Dynamics have proven to the world that they have robots that are more than ready to enter military combat.